We've gone and done it. We've hit 1,000 subscribers. Well done, everybody. I can't believe how amazing that all was for the treasured page. I am so thankful to each and every one of you for your wonderful support and friendship and good vibes that you have sent my way. 1,000 subscribers has taken us a while to get to, but we are here. And it is a celebration day today with a mass of butterflies which have flown my way from the lovely Antonio of Antonio Makes. So Antonio has sent me lots of digital kit butterflies and I've been sitting cutting them out and I've had a wonderful time with his beautiful kit. He's also offering, for the celebration of 1,000 subscribers, a free kit to one of you guys. One of my subscribers will receive a free kit. So I am giving away things today. It is a massive giveaway for the treasured page in honor of the 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to show you straight away what we've got. So hello and welcome to the treasured page. I'm Melanie, and this is our very noisy space today because we are having some fun here. Are we allowed cake? I think we possibly could have some cake afterwards. So, in first place, first prize coming up for one lucky subscriber is a distressed archival ink kit from Ranger. I have 4 waterproof, acid-free permanent inks to give away as my top prize. I've got pickled raspberry, barn door, spiced marmalade and fossilized amber for these wonderful carnival colours that you will be able to do some amazing things this summer. So that is the top giveaway. Also coming in are 2 amazing craft water sprays from the treasured page, and I'm giving those away. I'm giving 1 to European countries, subscribers from Europe, and 1 to international, further afield, long haul. Because we hit the 1,000 subscribers in July, that is the 7th month, so I am giving away 7 prizes. So we've got 3 here. I've mentioned about the free digital kit, which is from Antonio Makes. So he has said that he will give away 1 free kit from his website, and I will leave a link below so you can have a look. But this is the sort of thing that you can expect. Antonio is Italian. He has the most amazing style, decadent opulence, and I just absolutely adore the blue butterflies. So we are celebrating the blue butterflies for the treasured page. We also have pink ones too. So 1 free kit, so that is another prize there. In fact, yep, let's leave that there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, for number 5 is 25% off one of the kits from anything from Antonio Makes website, and that also includes his membership, VIP membership, which is worth quite a lot of money. So that you can have a look at. I will leave a link below. Okay, the number 6 prize giveaway is a collection of a die cut, some silicone stamps and some washi tape collection stickers, and they are of a nautical theme with music, and this is mini Victoriana die cut for edgeables. So I think that's really, really fun. So that was a little pack there of goodies. That was number 6. And number 7 is a really cool washi tape roll, which is, I've got one here. Well, I did have one here. Here we are. I've got my one. So these are the things that I use. That I'm not giving away anything that I don't use. And, you know, absolutely stacks of it. It goes on and on and on. And it's got beautiful script on there, lovely words, poetry, and botanical images, roses, poppies. And what's wonderful about it is it is a sticker, and you just peel off the backing and it's paper, and it's exactly the sort of thing that I love and I promote. Not plastic, nothing's plastic. We've got silicone, and then we've got the Archival inks there. And this is what I'm giving away. So if you'd like to take part in this fantastic prize giveaway, there are 7 prizes that are going here. We have the 2 water bottles, the Archival ink, the stamp and the sticker and the die cut set. We've got this washi tape that goes on for yards. We have a 25% discount off of Antonio Makes website and all of his digital kits that are on there. This is a sample of the sort of thing that you can expect. You will also, as the number 7 prize, will also receive a free link to download one of his kits, so we can send you that if you are the prize winner of the digital kit. So in order to take part in the giveaway, you do need to do 3 things. You need to first of all be a subscriber of the Treasured Page channel, so you need to subscribe now, and you also need to give a thumbs up to this video and any other video that you would like to watch from the Treasured Page. You also need to leave a comment below on this video and let me know that you would like to take part in this July giveaway. Okay, so if you would like to receive or have the chance to receive one of the prizes that you see here, you need to let me know that you would like to be part of the giveaway. And most importantly, I need to know what country you are from so that I can prepare and understand which bottle is going where, okay, from the prize draw. And then I can send these prizes out. Winners will be announced next Friday, so we have 1 week to get your entry in on the comments below, and then I will be able to thank you so much for all your support of this channel. It's been super fun, and I hope that we continue to grow and that this channel takes off so that I can bring you more inspiration and wonderful crafting ideas and friendship along the way. So I am so thankful of everything that you have helped me achieve so far from my quiet crafting space. So do please leave a comment below so that I may allow you the opportunity to receive something from the Treasured Page from me as a thank you to you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with more crafts because I can see these wonderful butterflies here, and I'm coming up with some amazing ideas of what to do with Antonio's wonderful butterflies. So check out the link below for his website and details, and you can follow Antonio Makes on Instagram and his own YouTube channel as well. And I'm sure there'll be much that we will do together in the future in collaboration in our crafty ways, because we are both lovers of butterflies. Absolutely celebrating here today the beautiful, beautiful butterflies that can be put on all projects just to make them sing. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching, and above all else, just slow down and make crafting time for you. Bye bye now.